Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making pepper steak. You will need 2 pounds of skirt steak, 1 green bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, 6 scallions, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of fresh grated ginger, 6 tablespoons of cooking sherry, 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, 6 teaspoons of cornstarch, 5 teaspoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 4 teaspoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 4 tablespoons of canola oil. Add your steak to a large bowl, then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and mix well. In another bowl, combine your sherry and the remaining 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now pour in the sesame oil and rice vinegar. Now add the oyster sauce, brown sugar, and black pepper. Add your cornstarch, then whisk until well combined. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add your oil. Add the steak to the pan and allow it to brown for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, remove it from the pan and set it aside until later. To your pan, add the white portion of your scallion, garlic, and ginger, and saute for 1 minute. Now add your green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and the green portion of your scallion and saute for 2 minutes. Now return your steak to the pan, then add your sauce, then allow it to simmer for 4 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.